Salut my friends, and welcome to Rupali's world.
Hello kids, let's do yoga for balance and concentration. We'll start with deep breathing.
Try to sit in Padmasana.
Yes, and do inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, open your eyes slowly.
Let's do tree pose. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great, repeat with another leg also. Stand straight, hands spread.
Friends, let's fly like birds.
Try to stand for 10 counts. Next pose is pigeon pose. Is Sia sitting like pigeon? Yes. Let's try to sit like pigeon, kids.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
This one is eagle pose. Little bit difficult, but with support we can do this. Try to count 10.
I'm doing flamingo pose, my favorite. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Balloon breathing. Make your face like balloon. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye.
Bye bye my little friends, and request to parents, please share, like and subscribe our video. Stay home, stay healthy. Take care.